Tidbit Tuesday. Did you know that swollen ankles, medically referred to as ankle edema, manifest when an abnormal accumulation of fluid builds up in the tissues surrounding the ankle joint? This accumulation typically results from an imbalance in the body's fluid regulation mechanisms, leading to fluid retention in the affected area. Several factors can contribute to this condition. Point 1. Injury or trauma. Ankle injuries trigger inflammation, causing blood vessels to dilate and leak fluid into surrounding tissues, leading to swelling. 2. Prolonged standing or sitting. Extended periods of immobility reduce muscle activity, impairing circulation and allowing fluid to accumulate in the ankles. 3. Pregnancy. Hormonal changes and increased pressure from the growing uterus hinder blood flow back to the heart, resulting in fluid retention and ankle swelling. 4. Venous insufficiency. Faulty vein valves cause blood to pool in the legs, increasing pressure and promoting fluid leakage into the ankles. 5. Heart or kidney disease. Conditions like heart failure or kidney disease disrupt fluid balance, leading to fluid retention and swelling in the ankles. 6. Medications. Certain drugs, such as antihypertensives and NSAIDs, can alter kidney function or increase blood vessel permeability, leading to fluid retention and ankle swelling as a side effect. Holistic methods to combat swollen ankles include: 1. Elevating the legs. Prop up your legs above heart level to encourage fluid drainage. 2. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess fluids from the body. 3. Diet. Consuming a low-sodium diet can reduce water retention. Include potassium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens. 4. Compression therapy. Wearing compression socks or stockings can improve circulation and reduce swelling. 5. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs like dandelion, parsley, and horse chestnut have diuretic properties that promote fluid balance. 6. Massage. Gentle massage can stimulate lymphatic flow and reduce swelling. 7. Exercise. Regular physical activity improves circulation and helps prevent fluid buildup. 8. Essential oils. Some essential oils like peppermint and cypress have anti-inflammatory properties and can be used in massage or baths to alleviate swelling. By incorporating these holistic approaches into your routine, you can effectively manage and reduce swollen ankles while promoting overall health and well-being. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if swelling persists or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms.